Hi everyone, Fritz here, and in this video we're going to go over the easiest mod to install on your BMW. And the mod that we're actually going to do is changing the knob on the iDrive system. This is going to be very beneficial for those of you who are going to upgrade the screen here, but you're not going to use the navigation system that came with the BMW. Maybe you're going to an Android system, so you don't need to change out the iDrive controller. How do we do this? Order a few things that are going to be in the description down below. Now, as a quick disclaimer, before we finish the video, you might be saying to yourself, why is a finance guy doing videos on cars? And the reason for that is because if you're able to do some of the car maintenance yourself, you're able to save yourself some extra money. And that's exactly what I want to do with you, is show you how you can do some simple things for yourself. Now, the iDrive knob may not contribute to something big mechanically, but it's something that you touch on an everyday basis, multiple times throughout the day actually. And when you're looking at things that you touch on an everyday basis, like your wallet or the iDrive feature, if you have this car, then if it feels good, if it looks good, you'll appreciate it better, you'll feel better yourself. But if you're touching something and every time you touch it, you're like, ugh, it's gonna throw off your whole day. So the whole point about saving more money, having more money, is that you're able to enjoy it. So I hope that you enjoy these videos that do more than just finance. And everything that we need is right here in this envelope. And what we have here is a larger iDrive knob, oops, as well as some rubber washers. Now, the first step is super easy. All that you do is open the casing, take the bottom portion of the new iDrive knob, place it with the rubber side facing up, and it should fit perfectly around the old knob. There's nothing to remove here. Now, here, you're gonna see this opening. And rather than just going in and placing it on top, what's gonna happen if you do that is you're gonna have some give here. So in order to prevent that, take some rubber washers like this, and then just place it onto the underside of the sticker. This is what's going to give you a solid feeling when you're pressing down on the new iDrive knob. Remove the double-sided tape that we have around the edges here. Now, all that we're going to do is to line up the crosshairs in the up and down direction. Once we're happy with it, press down in order to engage the double-sided tape. Now, the reason why I went with the crosshair is because when you're using it on the basic iDrive knob, it will turn. So as you can see, the top portion of the iDrive knob spins with the bottom portion. But if you want other designs as well, they have them, and that's up to you on which one that you want. I'll provide both of them in the description down below. The last thing that you need to do for this install is just remove the plastic film that's on top of your new iDrive knob. And that's it. Now, the reason why I did this mod is because I'm also going to upgrade the screen that we have here. This is the 6-inch screen. We're gonna be upgrading it to a 10-inch screen. And in all honesty, I hate the small iDrive wheel. It just doesn't look nice. So I wanted to go with something that's a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. It feels better when you have the smooth surface here. Now, if you want to see that install where we upgrade the screen here, go ahead, give this video a like, subscribe down below, and that video is going to be released tomorrow. I'll see you in the next video.